Welcome back. Now, for Division 2, we are going to be using repeated subtraction. The whole goal of repeated subtraction is to get the numbers small enough and easy enough to handle. So, the first step to repeated subtraction is to take the big number and subtract it by the small number. Okay? So, firstly, we're going to be doing 20 minus 5. Okay? So what's the answer to that? Well, the answer to that is, of course, 15. Okay, now I'm going to draw it in red to show that 15 is now our big number. Okay? The whole thing with this method is to continue to decrease down by the same divisor while changing the dividend. Okay? Now those are big fancy words, but the dividend is the big number and the divisor is the small number. Okay? So we're going to bring this down here, right down here. Okay, and we're going to do 15 minus 5 again. We're going to keep the small number the same, okay? And the answer to that is 10, all right? And we're going to continue this process. We're going to bring it all the way down, okay? And then we're going to go 10 minus same number, 5 again, okay? And that equals 5, okay? Now, we're going to do this one more time. We're going to keep going until it equals 0. Now, if it equals 0, that means that we are all done. No more. But if it's anything other than 0 that is less than the small number, that means that is the remainder. And the remainder we are just going to write as some blank R1. But for this problem, we aren't going to have a remainder, so let's not worry about it, okay? Now we're going to bring the big number back up, all the way up here. We're going to go 5 minus 5, and that equals 0, okay? Now, since it's 0, we're all done. But what's the answer? The answer is obviously not going to be 0. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to draw this in yellow, is we are going to count up the number of answers we have. So anything after the equal sign is going to be 1. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, and 1. So anytime we see an equal sign, we're going to circle it and mark it 1. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add up all the ones we have in yellow, okay? And then that will eventually be our answer, okay? So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals, of course, 4. Okay, so the answer for 20 divided by 5 is 4. Thanks for watching.